Dawood Basha is my go-to comfort meal. It's a Middle Eastern meatball stew that's submerged in a tomato sauce with some potatoes and often served with rice. As a busy mom, I always love to find a great food hack, and El Safa Foods has these delicious halal veal meatballs that I just air fry while I get the rest of my stew going. So I start off by sauteing my diced potatoes in some oil with salt and pepper, and I cover it until it's nice and tender and crispy on the outside. I then add a little bit more olive oil along with some onions and garlic. And since this is a shortcut Dawood Basha, I'll be using shakshuka sauce as my tomato sauce along with some diced tomatoes when I typically puree fresh tomatoes. I mix this all together, add a little bit more tomato paste, some pomegranate molasses, and allspice. All these flavors really take it to another level. Once those meatballs are ready, go ahead and submerge it in this luscious and flavorful sauce. Let this all simmer together for a few minutes before you go ahead and serve it with a side of rice. That's the best way to enjoy this, nice and warm with a side of rice. And then I like to garnish it with some parsley and dig in. This may have been a shortcut meal, but it tasted like it was homemade.